Hi, I'm Russ McPadden.
And I'm Julianne McPadden. Russ and I have been married for 45 years. He is the love of my life.
We're living in Colorado Springs for 10 years now. We moved in 2015 from South Texas. The reason for coming to Colorado, both of our sons lived in Colorado for quite some time. And when we said we wanted to move to Colorado, both of them said Colorado Springs is pretty much the best town. I retired in 2015 after teaching for 17 years. Prior to that, I was in the Navy for 20 years. One of the things I was considering was what I could do myself. My neighbor, we basically share a building because it's like a duplex, and my neighbor is always doing projects, and he's really good at it. And so he's been doing this bathroom project recently for probably 2 months. And so I'm like, well, you know, maybe I could do that. And then when I realized how complicated it was and how drawn out it was, I was like, okay, I can still look at products, but I do really need to consider what kind of vendors or what kind of contractors.
We have always loved KOHLER products. We use those products in our home in Texas, from faucets to lighting.
So eventually, looking at products, I realized that KOHLER, in addition to just fixtures, which is what I always associated them with, I realized that they could do almost an entire bathroom. So I was like, okay, so KOHLER is a good product, and what about vendors? And it turns out that HomePride is basically a source for both in the entire state of Colorado. And basically, HomePride is kind of like a general contractor, but in reality, they have the complete line of service and products, so you're not dealing with a bunch of subs. So that's where we started really focusing on HomePride. They sent Stacy. Obviously, we didn't know anything about Stacy. And really what he does is he's like, okay, we're gonna get to know each other. That made us comfortable. Whoa, this is nice. Yeah, I'm glad we went with the 8-foot sections of the panels. And look at this floor. Yeah, this is nice. This basically used that whole space that was taken up by an old tub that we never used. The one thing that really made a difference for me in the final result is the complete demo and installation was 2 days. And my neighbor did it himself on a much smaller scale, and it took him 2 months. And when the installers came, even though it was a 2-day project, they weren't in a rush. They were very thorough. They consulted us on different options that we had, and they were so easy to work with. And that's one of the things that I think really sets off as just a general contractor, as an overall provider of service. I think that's a big difference.
It just turned out fabulous. So we are so happy.